Did someone finally make an affordable nugget ice maker that actually works? Let's find out. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about, something a little different. Normally, I'd be cooking for you. But instead, today, we're taking a look at the Euhomi Pearl L1 Plus Nugget Ice Maker. So what's that? This is a countertop machine designed to make that soft, chewable nugget ice that you usually only find in restaurants or places like Sonic drive-thru. And after using it in our kitchen for a few weeks, we've got some thoughts. Now, before we go any farther, full transparency. Euhomi sent us this machine to try. There's no contract, no payment, and they didn't even get to see this video before we went live. Now, Euhomi is actually a company that focuses on one thing, ice makers. They make the whole range of machines from larger commercial style ice makers to built-in under-counter units, all the way down to portable countertop machines like this one. So ice machines are really their specialty. The problem is, most nugget ice machines cost $400 to $700, which is a lot just for ice. So when we heard about this one, which retails for around $250, we were curious if it could actually deliver the same kind of ice. You're probably wondering, what is nugget ice? Well, if you've ever had drinks at Sonic or other fast food places, you probably already know what nugget ice is. It's that soft, chewable ice that absorbs the drink and doesn't crack your teeth. You know, it's the good ice. Okay, when you first take this machine out of the box, the manufacturer recommends letting it sit upright for about 24 hours before you even turn it on. Why? That allows the compressor and internal fluids to settle after shipping. Now, after that, you're going to want to wash all the removable parts, wipe down the inside, and fill the water reservoir. Then, run a full cleaning cycle. And that is as simple as pushing a single button. Now, once that's done, you're ready to start making ice. Now, let's talk about performance and ease of use. You just fill the reservoir with water and press the ice button. The first batch of ice will start dropping in about 7 minutes, which is pretty quick. Now, within about 20 minutes, you'll have enough ice for a couple of drinks. The ice bin holds about 2 pounds of nugget ice, and the machine can fill it in about an hour. Now, because it produces ice fairly quickly, we actually don't need to run it all day. Most of the time, we just turned it on when we wanted the ice, and then by the time we were ready for our drinks, the ice was ready too. Of course, the real test is the ice itself. This is true nugget ice. It's soft, slightly compressed, and easy to chew, not hard cubes pretending to be nugget ice. Let's try it. Yeah. Now, for things like iced coffee, cocktails, soda, or iced tea, this is going to work really well. Nugget ice does behave a little differently than traditional ice cubes. Because it has a lot more surface area, it melts faster and can dilute drinks more quickly. So the key is how you use it. If your drink is already cold, things like iced tea, soda, iced coffee, the nugget ice works great. If you pour a warm drink over nugget ice, it's going to get cold really quickly, but it's also going to melt a lot of that ice in the process. And that's going to mean your drink ends up too diluted. So the simple rule is start with a cold drink, and then add your nugget ice. Nugget ice also works really well with cocktails. But here's a small bartender trick. Because the nugget ice melts so much faster, it's usually better to shake your cocktail with the regular ice, then pour the finished drink over the nugget ice. That way you get the proper chill and dilution from the shaking, but you still get that great texture and chewable ice in the glass. This is perfect for drinks like the mint julep, mojitos, pina coladas, mai tais, Negronis. It's delicious. We've been using this ice maker for about 3 weeks, and we've used it almost daily. It's really easy to live with. It's not really loud. It comes in at about 44 decibels. Now, it's not designed to fill a cooler for a big party, but instead for everyday use in your kitchen or home bar. Now, there's one thing people sometimes misunderstand about machines like this, and this applies to all portable ice makers, not just this one. These are ice makers, not freezers. So the ice bin isn't meant to store the ice long term. Now, as new ice is made, the ice already in the bin at the bottom will slowly melt. The water gets recycled back into the system. So if you want to build up a large amount of ice, the trick is to remove it and store it in the freezer. Now, this machine makes about 2 pounds of ice at a time, which actually fits perfectly into a gallon zip-top freezer bag. Cleaning an ice maker is important, and this machine makes that pretty easy. It has a built-in automatic cleaning cycle, just one button. Just make sure that there's water in the reservoir, press that clean button. It's going to take about 20 minutes to complete. There's also a drain on the bottom, so emptying the water is simple. Now the unit is fairly light. You can see I can just slide it around. So it's very easy to slide over to the sink, hang the front slightly over the edge, reach underneath and drain the water. Now, one thing that's pretty well known with portable ice makers like this, it's not a great idea to leave water sitting in them for long periods of time if the machine isn't actively making ice. So if we're not planning to use it for a day or two, we will just drain it. Just like your coffee maker, these machines should also be descaled about once a month, depending on your water. I have hard water, so I definitely do it once a month. You can run the same cleaning cycle using a descaling solution that's made for ice makers. That will keep the system clean and the ice tasting fresh. Let's talk pros and cons. Now, after using it for a few weeks, here's our honest take. Pros: real nugget ice, fast ice production, simple setup, easy cleaning cycle, and much more affordable than most nugget ice machines. There were a few cons. Like all portable ice makers, it doesn't store ice long term. It takes up some counter space, not much, and it needs occasional cleaning and descaling. I can live with that. Overall, we were actually really pleasantly surprised by this machine. So if you enjoy nugget ice for iced coffee, cocktails, or everyday drinks, this is a fun upgrade for your kitchen or home bar without spending the commercial ice machine money. Of course, I had to make a little cocktail with this ice. All right, if you'd enjoy this episode, sign up for our newsletter and get new recipes delivered right to your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that like button. It really helps us grow. And if you'd like to go even further, consider joining as a channel member. You'll get special perks, behind-the-scenes extras, and you'll be part of the community helping us shape what we create together. Okay, I'm going to go make a few more cocktails and sit out on my porch and enjoy them. While I do that, I want you to sit back, relax, and watch this episode over here. Until next time, everyone, cheers.